Hello, this is Mr. Mon, and we are going to take some time to go over your ecosystem project, part one, titled Ecosystem Organization. And our essential question during this entire part is, how are ecosystems organized? So as you're working on this, keep that in the back of your mind. Part one of part one is getting started, and you're going to watch two videos. One is what is an ecosystem, and the other one is titled Ecosystems, and those you can just click on the link and it will take you right there. As you're watching those, you want to be thinking and reminding yourself, what is an ecosystem? After you've watched both of those videos, what you're going to do is answer the question. And the way you're going to answer the question is to click on this Google drawing, and you're going to click Edit. And what this is going to do is allow you to answer your question using both images and words, and you can use arrows, you can use drawings. You have a lot of options. So once you get here, you can click on this, and whatever you put here, if you input pictures, if you decide to put text boxes, arrows to connect ideas, there's a lot of options there. This is your way to creatively answer the question, what is an ecosystem? Once you've done that, you're going to keep working down because now it's time for you to select your specific ecosystem and your specific organism from that ecosystem for that project, for this project. So this will take you to a few different places, a few different websites that have information about ecosystems, and you can decide which type of ecosystem you want to research. Once you've looked at a few of these sites, you can go here. You're going to type in which ecosystem you choose to study. You're going to type in why you selected that specific ecosystem and what makes your ecosystem unique. Within that ecosystem, you're going to need to pick one specific organism for your project. It cannot be just fish. It needs to be something specific like barracuda. It cannot be just something like, I want to research, you want to research something broad like birds. It needs to be something like bald eagle, but that has to be within your ecosystem. It cannot be extinct, and it cannot be a domestic animal. So if you want to choose a dairy cow, that's not going to work. Once you've filled out these four boxes, you can work towards the section called abiotic and biotic factors. This should be familiar to you because we've learned it a few times. Within your Google drawing, again, you're going to be finding abiotic factors from your ecosystem, and you're going to want to put pictures and titles with them. And for the project, everything goes back to your ecosystem and your specific animals. So you have abiotic factors, you have biotic factors, and then you need to write a paragraph explaining how those interact. Interact means affect each other, how they relate to each other. And that will get done in this Google drawing. The next part is habitat. You'll be explaining how the habitat within your ecosystem provides for all the needs of your organism. Within this Google drawing, you'll want to keep track of the definition of the word habitat, list all the needs of your organism, and explain how the habitat provides for each of those needs. You need to be specific and use photos. So once again, you're going to use the Google drawing to answer all of these questions. The next part is on the level of organization within your ecosystem. So you're going to use your specific organism as the smallest level, as the individual level of your organization. And you should include all 5 levels we talked about in class, a definition for each level, and pictures for each level. So you're going to start with your single organism, and you're going to get pictures off the internet, and you're going to work your way down all the way to the biosphere. Remember, this is stuff that we've already done in class, so you should be just transferring your knowledge from the work, the research, the notes we've done to your project. Finally, you're going to put it all together. Your topic, as I said before, is ecosystem organization. Your essential question for part one was, how are ecosystems organized? And you're going to take all these other parts. You're going to take the parts of abiotic and biotic, habitat, and level of organization, and put that all into one Google Drawing, you may use a lot of things from your previous pictures. You may use almost nothing. This is up to you. This is building your research. This is building your information for your project that will come together at the end of the unit. So as always, if you have questions, please ask your teacher. I provide these videos so you can watch them and you can go back if you have any questions. Make sure you're doing a great job on your project, and good luck.